Welcome class 6. Today's topic is rounding of a number. So yesterday we have learned about rounding of a number to the nearest tens. Today we will learn rounding of a number to the nearest hundreds. So here are few numbers: 573, 897, 378 and 1369. So rounding of a number, just like the the previous video in which we learnt rounding of a number to the nearest tens. First I'll explain you to round of a number to the nearest tens. So here it is 573, and 3 being less than 5 will not contribute any number to the previous value. So over here 573 will not contribute, so it becomes 570. Similarly 897, since 7 in the units place is more than 5, so it will contribute 1 over here, so 897 becomes 900. Similarly 378, the 8 in the units place will contribute 1, so it becomes 380. And similarly 1369, 9 will contribute 1, and thus it becomes 1370. Or in other words, we can say 573 is closer to 570, 897 is closer to 900, 378 is closer to 380, and 1369 is closer to 1370. So this is how we round off a number to the nearest tens. But here we have to convert it to the nearest hundreds. So let's convert this round off to the nearest hundreds. So here 570, since 7 is there, which is more than 5, which will contribute 1 to this value. So 5 becomes 6. So we can say 570 is close to 600. 900 is already in the hundreds place, so it is 900 itself. 388 is more than 5, so it will contribute 1 over here, so 3 becomes 4, so the answer is 400. 1370, 7 is more than 5, so it will contribute 1 over here, so 13 becomes 14, so 1400 is the required hundreds. So this is how we do the rounding of a number to the nearest hundreds. Next is rounding of a number to the nearest thousands. So here are the examples: 2875, 8659, 3265 and 7698. Now directly we'll understand how it is done to the nearest thousands, but first let's see what is the nearest hundreds. 2875 is there, so 75 will contribute 1, so it becomes 2900. Okay, so the nearest hundreds is 2900. 8659, the nearest hundreds is 8700, because 59 will contribute 1 over here. 3265, 6 will contribute 1, so it becomes 3300. And similarly 98 will contribute 1, so 7600 becomes 7700. Now this is how we convert it or round it off to the nearest hundreds. But here we will do the rounding off to the nearest thousands. So 2900 is very close to 3000. Okay, because 9 will contribute 1, so 2 becomes 3. Similarly 7 will contribute 1, so 8700 becomes 9000. 3 is less than 5, so it won't contribute any value to this number 3. Okay, so it is close to 3000 itself. 7 is more than 5, so that will contribute 1 over here, so 7700 becomes closer to 8000. So this is rounding off a number to the nearest thousands. Thank you.